Hey everybody, this is John with LevelUp. I've had a number of questions regarding setting alerts when working with the anchored VWAP inside of the LevelUp indicator. So I thought I'd take a few minutes and show you a couple examples. So on this chart, we can see, if we look at the little key down here, we have the 1-day anchored VWAP, the 2-day, and the week to date. Let's say we wanted to set up two different alerts. One, if the price goes up through the 1-day, and a second alert if it goes down through the 2-day. So I'm going to right click on the chart, choose add an alert. I'm going to say crossing up, go into this dialog here, choose the level up indicator, and I want to select the 1-day. So what we have here is we're going to say if we're crossing up on this indicator on the anchored VWAP on the 1-day, and in here we're going to say our message when the alert occurs, we'll say 1-day anchored VWAP, and this will replace with the ticker for whatever symbol we're looking at where that event occurs. We're going to create that. And if you look over here on the right side, we now have a new alert that shows up in the dialog box. We do the very similar thing if we're going to set up an alert going the other direction. So add an alert, this time crossing down, choose the level up. We want to cross down through the 2-day. And in here, what we'll do is we'll just change this to 2-day anchored VWAP for the symbol. We create the alert, and over here on the right side, here's our second alert right there. That's all there is to it. I hope you found this helpful.